Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush green forests, there was a place called Willowwoods. It was a beautiful forest, but no one dared to venture too deep, for hidden within its thick, ancient trees lived a cruel witch named Morgana. Morgana had a heart as cold as ice. She cast spells on the villagers, causing crops to wither and streams to dry up. She delighted in their misery, believing that their fear gave her more power. Every child in the village was warned to stay away from Willowwoods, for Morgana was known to cast the most terrible curses on anyone who crossed her path. One bright morning, a brave little girl named Susan decided she had had enough of Morgana's tyranny. Susan was known for her kindness and courage, qualities that made her a beloved figure in the village despite her young age. She had seen her friends and family suffer too much and resolved to put an end to Morgana's reign of terror. Armed with nothing but her wits and a heart full of hope, Susan ventured into Willowwoods. As she walked deeper into the forest, the trees grew taller and the light dimmer. She could feel eyes watching her, but she pressed on, her resolve unwavering. Eventually, she came upon a clearing, and there stood Morgana's crooked dark cottage. The air around it was heavy with enchantments. Taking a deep breath, Susan knocked on the door. Morgana, surprised to have a visitor, opened it with a sneer. "What do you want, little girl?" Morgana hissed, her eyes narrowing. Susan stood her ground. "I want you to stop hurting my village," she said firmly. "We have done nothing to deserve your cruelty." Morgana laughed, a harsh, cackling sound. "And what makes you think you can stop me?" she mocked. Susan reached into her pocket and pulled out a small silver mirror. "This is my grandmother's mirror," she said. "It's said to show the true nature of one's heart." Intrigued, Morgana snatched the mirror from Susan's hand. She looked into it, expecting to see her powerful, fearsome self. But what she saw instead was an old, lonely woman with sadness in her eyes. Morgana was shocked. She had forgotten what it was like to feel anything other than bitterness. The mirror reflected not just her face, but the pain she had buried deep inside her heart. Tears welled up in her eyes, and for the first time in years, she felt a pang of remorse. "I was once kind and happy," Morgana whispered, "but I lost everything I loved and turned to darkness." Susan stepped forward and gently took Morgana's hand. "It's never too late to change," she said softly. "You can choose to be kind again." Morgana looked at the little girl and a tear rolled down her cheek. She realized that the power she sought through fear and cruelty was nothing compared to the power of love and kindness. With a wave of her hand, she undid all the curses she had cast. The crops flourished, the streams flowed again, and the villagers' fears began to fade. Morgana decided to stay in Willowwoods, but she was no longer the cruel witch everyone feared. She became a guardian of the forest, using her magic to help the village prosper. And every time she felt the old bitterness creeping back, she would look into the silver mirror and remember the kindness of a brave little girl named Susan. From that day on, the villagers and Morgana lived in harmony. Willowwoods was no longer a place of fear, but a place of beauty and wonder. Moral: no matter how dark things may seem, it's never too late to choose kindness and change your heart.